Sagutan natin tong problems. Convert the following mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let's start with number 1, 2 and 3/5. So how do we convert mixed numbers to improper fractions? So yung unang step, i-multiply natin yung denominator by the whole number. So we will have 5 times 2, that's 10, right? And then add natin yung sagot sa numerator na 3. So, bale 10 plus 3, 13. So, yan yung magiging numerator nung improper fractions. And then, copy lang natin yung same denominator na 5. So, therefore, 2 and 3/5 is equal to 13 over 5 as an improper fraction. For number 2, so gawin natin yung same step. So, multiply yung denominator times the whole number. So, 12 times 5, 60, right? And then, add yung product na 60 sa numerator 7. So, bale 60 plus 7, 67. So, that will be the numerator of the improper fraction. And then, copy the same denominator, 12. So, therefore, we have 67 over 12. Next, number 3, 11 and 12 over 13. So, multiply natin yung 13 times 11. So, 13 times 11. So, 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 1, 1. Then add, bring down the 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Then bring down the 1. So, we have 143. Then, add natin yung numerator na 12. So, 143 plus 12. So, 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Bring down 1. So, we have 155. Then, over the same denominator na 13. So, therefore, we have 155 over 13. Next, number 4, 125 and 8 over 17. So, multiply natin yung denominator, 17, times the whole number, 125. So, 125 times 17, 7 times 5, 35. So, write 5, carry the 3. 7 times 2, 14, plus 3, 17. So, write 7, carry the 1. Then, 7 times 1, 7, plus 1, 8. Yung 1 naman, 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1, 1. Add. So, bring down the 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Write 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 8, 9. Plus 2, 11. So, write 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So, we have 2,125. Tapos, add natin yung sagot sa numerator. So, 2125 plus 8. 5 plus 8, 13. Write 3, carry the 1. So, 1 plus 2, 3. Then, bring down nyo na lang tong 2 at 1. So, we have 2,133. So, that will be the numerator, 2,133. Then, over the same denominator, 17. So, this is the final answer. Okay, kayo naman, convert nyo itong mixed number to improper fraction na 14 and 16 over 29. And just comment your answers.